CloudGarden Organic Fish Amino Liquid Fertilizer. Natural plant nutrient, CloudGarden Fish Amino Acid. Liquid fertilizer is a powerful organic fertilizer enriched with essential fish amino acids, promoting robust plant growth and vibrant blooms. 100% organic and eco-friendly. Made from sustainably sourced fish byproducts, our fertilizer is environmentally friendly and free from harmful chemicals, perfect for organic gardening practices. Versatile, use for all plants. Suitable for a variety of plants, including vegetables, fruits, flowers, and herbs. Ideal for both indoor houseplants and outdoor gardens. Easy application. Simply mix with water and apply to soil or use as a foliar spray. Designed for hassle-free use by gardeners of all levels, from beginners to experts. Boosts plant health, enhances root development and nutrient absorption, leading to stronger, healthier plants that are more resistant to pests and diseases. Improves soil quality. Encourages beneficial microbial activity in the soil, improving soil structure and long-term fertility for sustainable plant growth. Trusted quality from CloudGarden. Backed by CloudGarden's commitment to quality, our fish amino acid liquid fertilizer is manufactured under strict quality controls to ensure the best results for your garden. Thank you for choosing CloudGarden. We're grateful to support your love for gardening. Your trust in our products inspires us to keep bringing the best for your plants. Happy gardening from the CloudGarden family.